Hi, my name is Mayur Thakkar and I'm here to tell you how Tableau can help a business to identify KPIs so that they can take business decisions to improve the areas there where they need to work on. So I have this Excel sheet that is Superstore. This is a dataset that is available publicly on Tableau. So I'm going to drag orders worksheet which has all the details of orders, products, customers, and also sales, discount, quantity, profit, etc. So the first KPI that I'm going to build is the sales KPI, that is to understand how my products across categories are performing in different regions. So for that, I'm going to first drag category in the rows shelf, and then I want its sales across different regions. So I'm going to drag regions in the columns shelf, and to make it visually attractive, I'm going to create a calculated field, and I'm going to call this calculated field as benchmark KPI. I think that it is nothing but to show that if my sum of sales is more than 125,000, then it's above benchmark, else it is below benchmark. So I'm going to drag this on the color shelf, and I'm going to change the color. If it is above benchmark, it's green, and if it's below the benchmark, it's red. And the next thing is I'm going to change the shape. So we have this KPI that we can select from the shape palette. So I'm going to select this to make it more attractive, or visually more attractive. So I can see from here that the furniture is not performing that great in the south region. So the business can work on this region to improve their sales. I'll call this sheet as sales KPI. So this is how I created a sales KPI. Sorry. The next I'm going to create uh, another worksheet to check the profitability of various categories, how well are they performing or giving me profit, or they are not giving me profit. So for that, I'm going to drag category in the rows shelf, and I'm going to create another calculated field. I'll call it as profit ratio. It is nothing but sum of sales divided by sum of profit divided by sum of sales. I'm going to drag first profit here, and then profit ratio. I'm going to format it a little, and this is the sum of profit. To make it more understandable, I'm going to have percentage of total, and then I'm going to create another calculated field. I'll call it as profitability KPI. So it says that if my profit ratio is greater than 0.33, then it's performing great, and if it's between zero point 0.1 and 0.33, it's performing okay, else it's not performing up to the mark. So I'm going to drag this on color, And again, to make it more reasonable, if it's bad, if it's okay, it's green. So it says that my furniture is not giving me profitability, it is just 6.44% of the overall profitability, and my office supplies and technology are performing way better than that. I'll call it as profitability across categories. So this is how KPIs help in better understanding of the business, how well your business is performing, and it really helps a business in making useful decisions. Thank you.